So now our topic is characteristic of a sound waves. Actually, there are three characteristics. That first, frequency; second, which is amplitude; and third one, which is called the speed of that sound. Frequency. What is frequency? In 1 second, oscillations of the sound waves is called frequency. Amplitude, the maximum displacement of that oscillation is called amplitude, and speed, that we know that waves propagating speed is known as speed. Now we know that there are two ways to propagate. One through compressions. So this is compression, this is rarefaction. R, again we are getting compressions, here rarefaction, here compressions, right? So this is how sound will propagate further and further. Now we know that pressure will be higher here, density, it is also higher because so much air molecules inside one small area. Here pressure will be decreased because molecules are very far away from each other. Density will be decreased, pressure will be increased, density will be increased, so on. Now if I draw this graph in the form of transverse wave, means in the form of amplitude wave. See, compressions means higher pressure, means its amplitude will be higher, so it start from here, then it will decrease. On the rarefaction, its density will be lower, amplitude will also be lower. So again compressions here will become higher, then again at rarefaction it will be lower, that compression higher, again it will be lower. So this is how we can draw the graph of this compressions and rarefaction. We know that amplitude will be higher at C point, but it will be lower at R points. Now if I want to find wavelength of this wave, which is we can find by two consecutive troughs, we can also find by two consecutive crest, right? So this one small length, which we call it as lambda. Now this distance, this higher distance is called amplitude. This is also magnitude of this distance is also called amplitude, right? So this is how we can draw the graph of amplitude versus that lambda. Now here, if I want to draw a graph of low pitch sound, now remember, low pitch sound means lower frequency. Lower frequency means very small number of in 1 second very small number of oscillation will be there. If I am drawing high pitch graph, so its frequency will be higher, so in one small second there are so many oscillation will be there. If now I am drawing soft sound, now what is the meaning of soft sound? Soft sound is the phenomenon which relates with loudness. So soft sound having lower magnitudes, and at last it is a large sound, loud sound graph having higher value of amplitude. So amplitudes will be higher in large sound, amplitude will be lower in soft sound, high pitch, higher frequency, low pitch, lower frequency. So this pitch relates with frequency term, and this soft sound or large sound relates with the term amplitude. If amplitude is high, we are getting large sound. If amplitude will be higher from certain limits, it will make some noise, right? So these are the characteristic of a sound waves. In this theory, what is the formula of frequency? So formula of frequency I am writing here, nu is equal to 1 upon t. What is t? T is periodic time. So reciprocal of periodic time is known as frequency, and I earlier we discussed definition of frequency. Okay. Now what is speed of that propagation wave? So we know that c is equal to nu lambda. That is the formula. What is c? C is the formula of light speed, but here we are talking about sound speed, so I have to write v is equal to nu lambda, right? So this is speed formula, and if I can change the formula with this frequency, so that will be lambda by t. T is periodic time again. This comes from this equation, right? So here we are having frequency formula, here we are having speed of wave formula. This is how that wave moving with this speed. Lambda is known as wavelength, that we know, right? And amplitude is the distance from its mean position. What distance? It is the maximum distance from its mean position, that is called amplitude.